Did you just recently get a new tattoo and it's already starting to look dull and faded? Now I know this could be pretty scary and freak some people out, but do not worry, because in today's video we're going to be talking about why your new tattoo is faded and what you could do to fix it to make that tattoo look awesome again. But I got a question for you. Leave a comment below on what your tattoo is, because I'd love to know. If this is our first time meeting, my name's Mike with EvolveINK, and on this channel we talk all things tattoo related. So if that's the kind of stuff you're into, be sure to subscribe. Okay, so I first want to clear the air and touch on something that I know a lot of people get confused about, especially if it's their first tattoo, and that is we sometimes think that our new tattoo is fading, but what is actually happening is just the normal tattoo healing process. Now I know this probably sounds kind of confusing, but let me explain. Tattoo healing is not a simple process. When that tattoo is trying to heal, your skin is going to go through 3 different stages to try to heal that tattooed area. And if this is your first tattoo, the way it's going to look during some of these stages, it can be pretty alarming to some. Now the stage of the tattoo healing process that I want to talk about right now is the peeling stage, and the reason why is because typically during this stage, this is when people start to freak out and think that their tattoo is actually fading. During this stage, your tattoo is going to look dull, faded, all the detail is really not going to be there, and it's just not going to look that good, like, at all. The reason why this happens is because from the top layer of your skin getting poked by the tattoo needle, all that trauma is going to kill off those skin cells, and those dead skin cells are going to cause the tattoo to look dull and give off almost like this milky white kind of look to the tattoo. But while that top layer of skin starts to die off, new skin underneath is starting to form. So as long as you're keeping up with that tattoo healing process and doing all the things to allow your skin to a fast and healthy recovery, that dull, ugly, faded skin is going to peel off, revealing the actual beauty of your tattoo. I also want to add that during this stage of the tattoo healing process, your skin is going to be itchy. And I mean like really itchy. And with that being said, do not peel or scratch any of those flakes off, because what's going to happen is it's going to extract the ink from your skin, and then that will cause the tattoo to look faded, spotty, and just ugly. Just ugly. Okay, so let's just say that wasn't your issue. Your tattoo is fully healed, but it's still looking dull and faded. Well, the answer to your faded tattoo can lie with how skilled your tattoo artist was. Now don't get it twisted. Not all tattoo artists and how they apply the tattoos are the same. There is definitely a difference when it comes to professional tattoo artists that have years of experience versus amateur tattoo artists. Professional tattoo artists generally place the ink in deeper into the skin. From years of experience, they know exactly where to put that ink into the skin to make it nice and concentrated. So that means the overall result of the finished product of the tattoo will just appear more brighter, more rich, and a better, longer lasting tattoo. Most amateur tattoo artists that haven't been doing it for that long, their tattoos tend to fade and get blurry faster, and I mean like weeks after getting the tattoo faster. So if you didn't do your research on a quality tattoo artist, that could be why your tattoo already looks faded. Okay, so now let's say you went to a quality tattoo artist, but the tattoo still looks faded. Well, it could be because you didn't make it a priority to keep that new tattoo out of the sun. Now, I know I probably sound like I'm beating a dead horse. I think that's how the saying goes, but the only reason why I'm mentioning it again is because the sun is a tattoo killer, and it literally makes me sick to my stomach whenever I see a brand new tattoo out in the sun without protection. Like seriously, it will literally destroy your new tattoo, and sadly, this isn't common knowledge for some, especially if you're new to the tattoo game, but hey, that's why you got me, and that's why you should subscribe to EvolveINK, because I got you covered. Let's get into it. If you have a new tattoo and you're out in the sun, those UV rays that are caused by the sun are going to get absorbed by your skin, breaking down the ink in that new tattoo, destroying it, making it fade, and making it fade pretty damn fast. To avoid fading, you definitely want to keep that tattoo out of the sun as much as humanly possible, especially during the healing process. Doing things like wearing loose-fitting clothing if you know you're going to be going outside, or simply if you work outdoors for a living, is a great way to protect your new tat baby from fading. Be sure to apply something like a sunscreen whenever you know you're going to be going outside. And pro tip, just so you never forget it, leave a thing of sunscreen in your car. It helps tremendously. You can thank me later. Another reason why your new tattoo could be faded is simply because of ink loss, or just how that tattoo healed up. Your new tattoo will look the best it will ever look when it first gets done and you're just leaving the tattoo shop. It's gonna look dark, all the ink is gonna pop out, and the tattoo is just gonna look phenomenal. But sadly, what a lot of people don't understand is that when that tattoo heals up, it's always gonna heal up lighter than when you first got it done. Like seriously, you could be on top of the tattoo healing process 100%, do all the things to protect the tattoo from fading, but when that tattoo heals up, it's always going to appear lighter, and some people, they consider that the tattoo fading. Remember what we talked about earlier about the new skin forming? Well, that new skin is going to heal over the tattoo, causing it to appear lighter. It's not faded, it's just a 100% healed finished product of your new tattoo. Now, if you are unhappy on how your tattoo looks, maybe it healed up a little bit lighter than you wanted, or maybe it actually did fade, don't beat yourself up over it. If you want your tattoo to look awesome again, just simply go back to your tattoo artist and ask for a tattoo touch-up. Most tattoo artists, they do not charge for a tattoo touch-up session, so just schedule one with your artist and get that tattoo fixed. But remember, wait till the tattoo is done healing to schedule that touch-up appointment. Go get that sucker touched up and enjoy your new tattoo. You deserve it. And while you're enjoying it, make sure that you come up with a great tattoo aftercare routine to make sure that tattoo looks good for months and years to come. Now, this video right here is what I personally do to keep all my tattoos looking awesome, so I recommend you go check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification just so you don't miss a thing. See you later, Evolve community. Peace.